Dayton, Ohio. Check out this Karen neighbor.
Oh, did I step in you? Shit. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Stomping around and breaking the landscape edging on purpose. Definitely the kind of neighbor nobody asked for. Tempe, Arizona. This is what Halloween's come to. Thieves stole a 12-foot skeleton decoration from someone's yard. Guess Halloween's canceled at this house now. Indianapolis, Indiana. It's 5 a.m. and check out this guy. Kansas City, Missouri. Even if you lock your car, it's still not safe from these thieves. Overland Park, Kansas. Check out this male thief.
Not in there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. There's nothing here for you. Kansas City, Missouri. Dayton, Ohio. Another Halloween decoration stolen. Seriously, what's with these thieves? Indianapolis, Indiana. Check her out. Minneapolis, Minnesota. This lady was caught at night urinating outside a home and even stealing a female cat named Condor. Unbelievable. Jacksonville, Florida. Check out this doorknob checker. Meanwhile, this guy's still at it, doing who knows what out here.
She's a word! Gosh! ¡Ay, te vas a morir! ¡Oye, la mano, Dios! ¡Dios, dale! ¡Dios! ¡Me va a poner, güey!
Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Jacksonville, Florida. Check out this late-night creeper. Indianapolis, Indiana. This lady knocked on a door late at night, then moved to a different house. She seems like she's either high on something or completely lost. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Really appreciate it. Subscribe for more crazy clips, and don't forget to hit like. Chicago, Illinois. Check out this dude trying to pull off some unusual activity in an apartment, but the homeowner caught him. Let's find out what happens next.
Hey, bro. Hey. You gotta come get this bike. How you get in here?
Kansas City, Missouri. Check out this suspicious dude. Later in the video, we'll find out why he's here. It's kind of interesting.
Hey. Bullshit.
Delivery guy delivered a package, then came back later to steal it. Galena, Ohio, another late-night doorknob checker. New Iberia, Louisiana. Dayton, Ohio. This is what's going on during Halloween. Minneapolis, Minnesota. A whole gang of thieves is trying to break into this car. Let's see if they can get in.
bro, is y'all done? You not gonna take this and break it? It got a brake lock and the steering wheel lock. On my dead father. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? How many brakes in my fucking car? That's why I always tell y'all go to the captain.
North Charleston, South Carolina. North Charleston, South Carolina. This dude is trying to steal a bike. Wilmington, North Carolina.
Hey, excuse me. I'm just trying to see if someone's staying here. I don't mean no harm, just somebody lost something, I'm trying to return it.
Indianapolis, Indiana. Don't fall for this tactic. 4 people rang the doorbell at 2 a.m., claiming their AirTag shows their wallet is inside the house. A man in the back was carrying an empty black bag, and another woman had a Goodfellas pizza box. Be aware. Indianapolis, Indiana. Indianapolis, Indiana. Check out this men. Indianapolis, Indiana. More Halloween decorations are getting stolen. What is wrong with people? Indianapolis, Indiana. These 2 dudes are trying to enter the wrong house with the wrong keys.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Indianapolis, Indiana. Chicago, Illinois. Cape Coral, Florida, at 3 a.m.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Chicago, Illinois. Chicago, Illinois. More decorations got stolen. Seriously, what's going on? Meanwhile, in Kansas City, Missouri, this dude is back. Let's hear what he has to say about his visit.
Hello?
Hey, man. Oh, sorry, bro. I just had cops follow me, so I just was chilling out. Sorry, man. I picked your door. I apologize. Want to move? You want me to move, bro? Here?
Are you making sense or what?
Yeah, sorry. I was just chilling out for a minute. Sorry, man.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
My next stop? Yeah, I can. Sorry, bro. You're welcome. 2 seconds, I'll leave.
Indianapolis, Indiana. There are many late-night creeps roaming around. Be careful and lock your doors at night. To keep watching these types of videos, click here for more.